Living Madara is not easy. You have to survive.
اللي ولاد عمي وعموي كلهم بس نص طماط وبتمنى انه ارجع التقى فيه.
I try to hide in an open tomb in the dorm site. I am more afraid to my father than any ghost in the cemetery.
आइडिया ये है कि हम भी कुछ ऐसे ही काम हमारी स्टोरीज दूसरे लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे।
I like the sea. Ich würde ihm gern helfen.
Hello, my name is Nejmi. I am from Syria.
Dann haben wir festgestellt, dass wir selber hingehen müssen. Dass wir ihre Geschichte so erfahren.
Thank you.
We are meeting here today to take our future, to take our survival in our own hands.
It's the calling. It's my calling.
I was born here so that I could make a change here.
We're gonna take the world back.
Every child has his rights and dreams that should be spread all over the world.
يورني وطوطو.
يعني ليش طب ليش ما نتوحد؟
If this message reaches you right now, you are one of us.